Here's how to tie the European death knot, other called the flat overhand bend or the offset overhand bend. Place the two ropes next to each other, form a loop, and then take the ends of this rope and go through this loop. It's really important to check that none of these ropes are crossing each other and to tighten the knot very carefully by pulling both of the ropes together and then separately each one. To check that it's tied correctly, make sure that it forms two sets of parallel ropes on one side and one set on the other. When using critical applications like climbing, you have to leave a rather long end after the knot, at least 2 hand lengths or 30 centimeters in size. That's because when pulled with a lot of force, this knot can capsize and roll, and the leftover rope accounts for it. It isn't a very strong way of connecting two ropes, but it's very commonly used in climbing because it can support the body weight of a climber. When rappelling, this knot is very unlikely to get stuck on rocks because both of the ropes enter from the same direction. To learn other useful knots, subscribe and check out our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.